McLagan a Shane Sutton, neb yn ennill hwnna. Rhys Kavanagh i McLagan, Marcus Day, dio drwyddo. Jordan Cottrell yn ergydio, mae'n am arbediad. Ac mi oedd honna yn sicr yn gyfle. Roberts yn cadw honna fewn. Mwandwe yn chwilio am yr hediad. Mae'r cefnwr chwith i mynd. Rhys Kavanagh sy'n amddiffyn. Nhw'n mynd ysgwydd i'r ysgwydd, mae'n gic o'r smotin. Rhys Kavanagh yn erbyn Callum Roberts. Ac mae'r dyfarnwr Aaron Wyn-Jones yn deud bod honna'n drosedd. Aaron Williams. Ac mae fewn. 1-0 i'r Drenewydd. Mike Lewis yn mynd y ffordd anghywir. Ac Aaron Williams yn sgorio ei 5th gol o'r tymor yn y gyngrair. Lewis efo'r gic yn hir. Sutton sy'n ennill hwnna. A Mwandwe sy'n heibio Cummings. Os gynnu fo le i redag yn fan hyn. Mwandwe lawr y chwith. Cummings ar ei ôl o. Mwandwe'n parhau i fynd. Cadw meddiant. A mae heibio Cummings. Os gynnu fo le i groesi. Groesi'n dod fewn! Aaron Williams! Ac mae'n ail i'r Drenewydd. Aaron Williams ar yr ail gyfle. Wel, mi nath Mike Lewis yn wych i arbed honna y tro cynta, ond Aaron Williams yn cael ail gyfle ac mi oedd honna yn hawdd iddo fo. Wharton, Cottrell rwan, os gyda fo le i droi, na. Waith da yng nghanol cae. Walker. A David Cottrell yn chwarae allan i Mwandwe. Mwandwe ar y chwith, mae o fewn i'r cwrt Cosby, os gyda fo opsiwn arall, mae o'n ergydio hun. A dyna ni yr hat-trick i Aaron Williams. Ergyd ffwmpe Mwandwe. Mike Lewis yn trio cael mwy arni, ond ddim yn ddigon. Ac Aaron Williams ar y postyn pella yn y lle iawn.
Yeah, it was an important one. Obviously, you know, we'd lost the last 2 league games, and then going out the cup next Saturday is never nice. It's not been a nice feeling, and the players were, you know, itching to put it right. I thought we did that today. I thought we were excellent from start to finish. Really impressive away performance, professional, managed the game, restricted Barri, and then, you know, when we had the ball, we really caused them a problem. And, you know, really pleased. Look, you know, it was before the game. It was one of those games where we always have tough games coming down to Barri, but really impressed with the players and what we did, and showed great mentality. And, you know, we've got to build on that now. We're going into next week.
Poor in every department. Better team won by a long stretch, and unfortunately that's tough to take. You know, if you play well, if you show everything that a footballer needs to show in terms of heart, desire, intensity, getting close to people, sticking to game plans, give yourself a chance. Unfortunately, we didn't do that, and we got found wanting. 2 assists for yourself in the second half as well. You and Aaron Williams seem to have a good relationship.
Yeah, to be fair, seems I get the assist and he gets the goals, and it's nice. So, I mean, it's good to have a striker, you know, as soon as you put it in there, in the right areas, he's going to score. So,
I'm back enjoying it. The last couple of seasons, I'm enjoying football, and my goal tally says it all. When I'm enjoying football, I score a lot of goals. I'm on 16 already for the season, 7 in the league, and the rest in the cup. And as long as I play with a smile on my face, goals will come. And then playing the team like this, I create chances with Thump on the left, David Cottrell on the right, the quality we've got each side. Goals are going to come, and it's just to make sure I'm in the right place at the right time, just like today.
You know, we're up in North Wales now for the next 3 weeks in a row. Fixtures haven't exactly been kind to us, but it's exactly the challenge we need now, because we'll come out fighting.
It's your first defeat of the season at Jenner Park as well. Does that hurt?
Yeah, any defeat, you know, hurts. Today, look, I can lose games of football. We can lose games of football. That's life. But if you lose games of football and you come up against, you know, the better team because you give everything you've got that day, then you say fair play. You hold your hand up, and that's football. That's life. Today we can't say that. The better team won, yes, but not because we were at our best and they were better. Just thought we were poor in every department.